Bonjour, Year 7s. Ça va? Ça va très bien, merci. Welcome to your second lesson from our new unit. C'est moi, Miss Brown. It's me, Miss Brown. Et aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les prochaines phrases de notre knowledge organizer. And today, we're going to learn the next sentences for our knowledge organizer. Okay, premièrement, firstly, cherchez une pièce de papier et un stylo et essayez de traduire ces 8 questions. Get a piece of paper and a pen and try to translate these 8 questions. Pause the video, but don't take more than 4 minutes to do this. Great! Now, green pen your answers with the answers that come up. So, pendant means during, je joue means I play, au foot, football, temps libre, free time, I like, je l'aime, fun, amusant, my name is, je m'appelle, hello and hi, bonjour et salut. Okay, so here are our next 6 lines. Like we did last week, I'm going to repeat these a couple of times. D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du skate au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur le week-end dernier. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time. D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du skate au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur le week-end dernier. So what you can do is on the worksheet that we have for week 10, it should say Year 7 week 10 worksheet, you can hear these sentences. So highlight the silent letters, emphasize any accents that we see, place an asterisk above any vowel combinations, so when vowels are together and they make kind of a weird sound, and put a ring around the liaison where I pronounce the words together. This time I'm going to say them and I want you to repeat after me. Okay? D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du skate au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur le week-end dernier. Okay, let's do that one more time. D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du skate au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur le week-end dernier. Okay, let's try this. I'm going to read from top to bottom, and I want you to try to read as well, the top to bottom, but see if you can read it faster than me. See if you can beat me to the bottom, okay? On your mark, get set, go. D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du skate au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur le week-end dernier. Did you beat me? Let's try this again. I'm going to do it a little bit faster this time. D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du skate au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur le week-end dernier. Fantastic. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so now we have the full paragraph to work with. I'm going to read this and I want you to replay it a few times. D'habitude, le week-end, je fais du sport au parc avec ma meilleure amie. Parfois, je joue aussi au badminton dans le jardin avec ma sœur. Now I'm going to read it, and when I stop, I want you to shout out the word that I stopped at. So for example, if I was reading D'habitude, le week-end, je, and I stopped there, you would shout out fait. Okay, let's give it a try. D'habitude, je fais du au parc avec meilleur. Parfois, je joue aussi badminton, avec ma. Fantastique! Okay, grab a mini whiteboard, or if you don't have one, a piece of paper and a pen will do. At the top, you want to write down 100 euros. We're going to play Grammar Gamble, and the next slide is going to help you a little bit. So I'm going to pick 10 words from the first 10 lines of our KO, and maybe some other words we should just always remember and practice. Okay, place your bet. Okay, the first word is pendant. Okay, so you should have during. The next word, place your bet. Okay, d'habitude. You should have written down usually. The next one, place a bet. Parfois. You should have sometimes written down. Place a bet. Avec. The word you should have written down is with. The next one, je joue. Okay, and you should have I play written down. Place another bet. Temps libre. You should have free time written down. Have you gotten to 1,000 euros yet? Let's keep playing. The next word, get your bets ready. Je joue au foot. It's a little bit longer. Je joue au foot. That's I play football. Okay, the next one. Avec ma sœur. You should have with my sister. Okay, two more. Je fais. You should have I do. And the last one, Betson. C'est amusant. You should have written down it's fun. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so now we have our paragraph again. This time I want you to try reading it on your own a few times. So you can pause, practice reading it a few times on your own, and then press play when you're done. Okay, so now we have our next steps. So we're going to create a new set of flashcards with our new sentences. Again, I've chunked them up to different chunks that you should be learning. And you're going to practice saying and writing them as often as it takes so that you aren't making any errors. In this case, accents do count, so the accent on sœur with our O and E together. And also our apostrophes count as well. So we've got an apostrophe in d'habitude. Make sure that we are writing that in the right spot when you practice. Okay. For an extra challenge, try including some flashcards that you've made previously. Perfect. À bientôt. Talk to you soon.